Hello, happy Thriving Thursday. So today I'm going to show you how to run a listing activity report on ShowingTime, which is going to give you all of the feedback and showings that have happened on your listing that you can use or you can send to your seller. Also, how to send an email to all of the agents that have previously shown your property so you can give them a price adjustment or highest and best or any other notification that you might see fit. So let's log into RealComp, and I'm going to scroll down. On RealComp links here at the bottom is ShowingTime Agent and Office Configuration. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to take me to my profile, and I want to hit over here on the left hand side, Listing Setup. All of my active listings will appear, so I'm going to go ahead and just click on the one that I'm interested in to do the report for. So this is where you would come in, to set up ShowingTime. But over here on the left-hand side, under the picture, is Listing Activity Report. I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then it's going to give me all of the appointments and showings that have happened since it's been listed. So per week, it's giving you a number. Any feedback that you've received, it's putting it in a nice pie chart for you. And then it's giving you all of the feedback responses. You can choose to unpublish this, or publish it if you hadn't previously, or remove it altogether. These are going to go to your client's report, so if you don't want them to see something, you can go ahead and not publish it or just remove it in general. Now to go to the homeowner version, again under the picture, you want to click homeowner version. Now this is going to take away all of the other agents' information. Obviously, we don't want to send that to our clients because they might be doing some follow-up themselves. So here's all of the feedback that you chose to publish and all of the listing showing details that have happened. So all of the past showings and appointments that have been made on here. So you can either download this in a PDF and email it to your client, print it, go over it with them in person, or just straight email it to them from here. So I would, if you're going to email it from here, make sure you have a copy for yourself in case they call you to go over it, you know what they're talking about. I'm going to click here to go back to the agent version. Now say we did a price drop, or I want to do highest and best. Somehow I want to email all of the agents that have shown the property before. Now I'm going to hit send notification. That's going to take me to this page. So either check all agents that have shown the property or all agents in my office. Maybe I just want to email all the agents in my office new listing or price adjustment, or I'm going to email everybody price adjustment. It's pulling up everybody that has shown it and everyone in the office. It will do this auto one for price adjustment. You can change it as necessary. Or if you wanted to check other, it will still pull up everyone's email, but you can write any subject in email that you would like and hit send. So hope that is helpful. Again, that's how to do a listing activity report and send a notification, and that is through ShowingTime in RealComp.